Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you step by step on how to enable dark mode in the Waze app on your phone. Dark mode is great for reducing eye strain, especially when driving at night or in low light conditions. Let's get started and make your Waze experience more comfortable. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Next, from the menu options, scroll down and tap on Settings. Then, find and select Map Display. Finally, in the Map Display settings, tap on the Dark Mode option and select On. This will immediately change the map to a dark color scheme, making it easier on your eyes during nighttime driving. That's all there is to it. You have successfully enabled dark mode in Waze. This simple change can improve your navigation experience and help you drive more comfortably in the dark. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks.